What's going on, guys? Here, and today I'm going to be doing a short video, but yeah, another 3D printed showcase, because I haven't been uploading, but it's just because the weather here has been crazy and stuff, and you can see as the wind tries to blow right away my stadium. So I'm going to be showing off this Beyblade that I made with the gimmick from Revive / Dread Phoenix. So here we have Hammer Leviathan, and like I said, the gimmick is the armor pops off, but it's the hammers, as it said. Thing is, I have it locked in, but it's like hard to get out, so I don't know if it's stuck or not. So I'm hoping, like, doing these battles, it will get unstuck and like pop off at some random time, but if not, then I'll try to fix that. So the parts for it is just regular parts I just threw together. So the parts for it is 7 under survive. I'm sorry about the wind, it's very windy right now, so I'm only going to do like 4 battles. See how well it does against different, against different bays that I just threw together. So yeah, let's get. Alright, so first up we have Ace Diabolos 10 operate. Okay, that's one. I'm going to launch in Leviathan first. Leviathan. Double burst. So that was a tie. Yeah, it's like very windy here, and it looks like it's about to rain soon. I can see some clouds rolling in. Alright, so final battle. Leviathan's in. Circling around. And, oh, there it goes. And here's what it looks like without the armor on. I figured it was going to get it unstuck, so that's good. Okay, so let me put this back on. Oh, and Leviathan won that. Okay, so next up we have Slash Dragon 1 Iron. I just noticed I just put Xenox Gallius parts on there. Oh well. So here we go. And there goes the armor. Okay, so let's try that again. There goes the armor. And a spin out. Xenox Galley. And okay, so I guess it's only going to be 2 battles. So I'm going to end the battle with this last one, which is Venom Valkyrie Blitz Reboot. So I will end it with this last battle, and then I will go inside. It just got dark all all of a sudden, and it KO'd itself. So yeah, that was Hammer Leviathan. I am glad that this battle actually got it unstuck, but here it is. So yeah, I'm glad the gimmick works, and I guess the sun telling me that I can do one more battle. I don't know, so I'll just do one more then. Armor's out. And completely out. Staying in. With the blades being down like that, it's more of a defense now. So I'll just try to get the best out of this and do this one. So, Blast Genius. I'm trying to get the best out of the, okay, there. I'm trying to get the best out of this weather because it's like random right now. Go shoot. There goes the armor. Starting to think the armor's coming off way too easily. But it's in defense mode. Okay. I think I could do about final bow. Because I gotta get inside and it looks like it's about to rain. So I'm just gonna use Ace Dragon again. So here we go. And a burst finish. So into here, this is Zeno signing out, and have a beta-tastic day. Also, please subscribe and like my videos. It will be wonderful if you do. I am sorry for this short video. I was planning on something longer, but with how the weather is, I just need to get something out there. I'll probably be doing more videos this summer when it's more hot and stuff, but yeah, I'm just going to end it here. So again, this is Zeno signing out, and have a beta-tastic day.